A very good morning to all of you, my dear students. Welcome back to the class once again, as well as your YouTube channel. Let's learn together. We have discussed, if I have started discussing the chapter, that devotional path of the divine, and we were discussing about philosophy and bhakti in our last class. So let us continue with that. Let me give you a few recap who were not present in the class yesterday. Philosopher Sankara, who born in Kelra in the 18th century, he was advocating, means he was with this concept. hmm, He was accepting this concept of Advaita. Now let me show you the concept of Advaita. What it really means. It is a policy. It is a doctrine policy of the Almighty, and he was accepting this policy. And according this policy, what really happens, that you will have to attach your soul with the Almighty, means your soul and the Almighty. There should not be anyone in between that. Then only you can achieve, then only you can get the ultimate reality, and that is the ultimate reality. He's talking about Shankara. And who is Shankara? He was one of the philosopher who used to give his thinking and express his thinking, express his views on different aspects of life. So this is also one of the aspect of life, my dear students, that he's talking about Advaita. Let me click on the link of Advaita also, so that I can show you what it really means. That is the concept or policy of the oneness of the individual soul and the supreme God. Oneness means there should not be anyone. जिसके अनुसार जीवात्मा है ना, जीवात्मा और परमात्मा जो परम सत्य है, दोनों एक ही हैं. He is talking, he's saying that your life and the life of the Paramatma is not different. And you must attach your soul with the Almighty, then only you can get that, what you can get salvation, you can get mukti, you can get peace of mind. That is he saying or talking all about. Again he's saying, my dear student, that this is the ultimate reality, that is, it is the supreme reality. What is the supreme reality over here? That you will have to attach your soul with the supreme God, and there should not be anyone. You should not think anything about anyone in between. That is the concept he's talking about. Again he's saying, my dear students, over here, Shankara taught that Brahman, the only or the ultimate reality. Now he's saying, Shankara is saying that Brahman is the ultimate reality. And that's why nowadays also you can see, even nowadays, that the Brahman are the top class in Hinduism. So Shankara taught that Brahman, the only or the ultimate reality, was formless. He's saying about the supreme God. He's saying about the supreme God, that he is formless, means he does not have any form. No picture, no images, no statues, no idols, no drawings, nothing. Is saying the ultimate reality is what? The ultimate reality is formless and without any attributes. Even, and does not have any branches, does not have any hands or eyes or legs, maybe nothing. He's saying nothing. That ultimate reality does not have anything. I'm not saying this. Who is saying? Shankara is saying. And who is Shankara? He is one of the known famous philosopher who born in Kelra in our country. And he's saying, and again he's saying that he considered the world around us to be an illusion or Maya. He's saying that ये जो दुनिया है, this world is nothing. It is just illusion. ये एक धोखा है, एक माया है. It is not the real world where we are living. And he preached renunciation, sannyas लेने के लिए वो कह रहे हैं. He's saying that we should leave all the activities of this world. We should leave all these activities, because we have a lot of responsibilities in this world. We have to take care of our parents, of our children, we have to work hard to earn our livelihood also. So he's saying, leave all this thing, leave your parents, leave your children, leave everything of this world. And what is he asking then? After leaving, what you have to do? You will have to adopt the path of knowledge to understand the true nature of Brahman. He's saying that we must try to understand the true nature of Brahman, and we should attain salvation, that is moksha. Only we can, after that we can attain, we can get peace of mind. He's saying we must leave all this worldly thing. ये दुनिया की सारे कामों को छोड़ देना है, और क्या करना है? We will have to adopt the path of knowledge. To understand, we must try to get more and more and more and more knowledge, so that we can understand the true nature of Brahman. Because he's saying that Brahman is the ultimate reality. He's saying that Brahman only is the ultimate reality. यानी जो सच है वो क्या है? Brahman है. He's saying, and to understand the nature of Brahman, the true nature of Brahman, we will have to renunciate. Renunciate means what? In sannyas lenana. We will have to leave all the worldly things, and we must try to get and understand the true nature of Brahman by getting the knowledge, more and more knowledge. Then only we can get salvation, that is mukti. We will get peace of mind. Now let us go through about Ramanuja. He's also a very famous man. He was also born in Tamil Nadu. Even philosopher Sankara born in Kerala, but Ramanuja born in Tamil Nadu in the 11th century. Way back, we are talking about a man who was born in the 11th century, means 900 years back. We are talking about that man. He advocated, means he is, according to the concept, he agrees. What he agrees, let us see. He is saying that the best means of attaining salvation, यानी salvation means moksha, यानी कि आपको मुक्ति प्राप्त करना है, you have to get the peace of mind. Then what you have to do? What you have to do? He's saying the best means of attaining salvation was through intense devotion to Vishnu. He's saying that you will have to devote your life, devote yourself fully to which God? To Vishnu God. He's saying Vishnu in his grace. Let me show you what is there in Vishnu. What is written? uh, भगवान विष्णु की कृपा दृष्टि से भक्त उनके साथ एकाकार होने का प्रमाणन प्राप्त कर सकता है. He is saying, who is saying this one? Ramanuja is saying कि if you will attach yourself with Vishnu, then what will happen? You can attain that salvation, you can that ascend that peace of mind. He's saying Vishnu in his grace helps the devotee to attain the bliss of union with him. So Vishnu God, he is, what he is doing? Vishnu God, he is helping, he is giving his grace. We also always talk about that I am fine by the grace of Almighty. I used to say, people used to say that I am fine by the grace of, by the grace of, and he takes the name of a particular god. So I say, I am fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. So like that, my dear students, he's saying, Vishnu God is saying that with his grace he will help the devotee, means he will help his followers to attain something. What to attain? He's saying that you will be able to bliss of union, means that you will be able to connect yourself with Almighty, with your Almighty. You, means the Almighty will only help you to attain, to attach, to secure a connection between you and him, you and your Lord. So Vishnu God is saying, and Ramanuja is saying, he's preaching about Vishnu God. He submitted the doctrine of Vivista Dvaita. He's saying Visista Dvaita, that is the name of the policy. And he submitted the doctrine of Visista Dvaita, or qualified oneness. In that, he's saying that there is one more concept, and in that concept, what you can say, he's saying, let me, you all please connect and try to listen it carefully. What he is saying over here, Ramanuja. He's saying that the soul, even when united with the Supreme God, remain distinct. He's saying that even if your soul is connected with the Almighty, with the Supreme God, there will be a difference, there will be a gap between that. आप कनेक्ट कर लें, जितना चाहे कनेक्ट कर ले, but there will be always a what? Distinct. Let us see in Hindi what is written, है ना? I have connected, I have saved also. रामानुजा ने विशिष्टा द्वैता के सिद्धांत को प्रतिपादित किया, मीन्स ही सेइंग he is preaching, he accept the doctrine of Visista Dvaita, that is a policy. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू डाइट पॉलिसी क्या होता है देखो, जिसके अनुसार आत्मा परमात्मा से जुड़ने के बाद भी अपनी अलग सत्ता बनाए रखती है, यानी आत्मा का अपना एक अलग रास्ता होता है, फिर भी कनेक्ट होने के बाद भी, इवन आफ्टर कनेक्टिंग विद परमात्मा, इवन आफ्टर अटैचिंग विद द ऑलमाइटी, द atma means that is the soul, है ना, that is the soul of one person, always have a different path. There will be always a gap between that connection. He's saying, means he's saying that one cannot connect thoroughly with the Almighty. Even after connecting, even after uniting with the Almighty, the soul has a different path, has a different path. He is saying that Ramanuja, that is his policy, my dear students. According to his policy, actually, he is not a scientist over here. That the name of the scientist was Ramanujam. है ना? That was a mathematician, I think. So we are talking about Ramanuja over here. है ना? That is he born in Tamil Nadu. So we are talking about different. But now we will have to discuss, my dear students, the next topic, that is Basavanna Virashaivism. है ना? That is another concept over here. The Virashaivas argued strongly for the equality of all human beings and against Brahmanical ideas, that is Brahmanavadi Vichardhara about caste and the treatment of women. That is Virashaivas. And that is another group of people who are saying this kind of thing. Uh, that the Virasharvas, they were saying that they want equality of all human beings. That I also agree. And he is also saying against the concept of Brahman ideas, that they are saying that Brahmans are the top and there are different division in the caste, and people are different. I am also do not agree with him. There is no casteism in any religion, I think. There should not be any casteism, there should not be any discrimination among the people. So the Virashaivas are very good, are saying about this one, and they are against the Brahmanical ideas regarding two things: against about the idea of casteism and about the idea of the treatment of women. So we will discuss a lot of things about the treatment of women in according to Brahmans. Also, we will discuss in our next class. That is all in this class, my dear students. Have a good day. Stay at home and stay safe. Bye bye. Take care, my dear students.